One of the most commonly used grading methods in AsULearn is the natural grading method. Now you may be wondering, why is it called natural? It's called natural because it is the way that most people naturally grade activities. Let's pretend I'm a student in your course. You give me a 5-question quiz to complete, and each question is worth 1 point. I do pretty well answering the first 4 questions correctly, but I happen to miss the last one. When I hand this quiz back to you to be graded, you would first add up the number of points that I earned, which was 4 points. You would then calculate a grade for me based off of the number of points I could have earned if I had gotten every question correct, which was 5 points, or 80%. Natural simply extends this to calculating all of your course grades. So if we were using natural in a course that had this quiz, at this point in time my grade would be 4 points, and the range would be 5 points, which is the total number of points I could have earned. So applied at the course level, natural is simply the number of points a student earned out of the number of points they could have earned up to that point. There are 2 more things that are helpful to know if you're going to use the natural grading method. The first is that the points you assign to individual activities and grades determine the weight of those activities and grades. For example, if I have a 25-point assignment and a 50-point assignment, the 50-point assignment is worth twice as much in the course grade. The second thing to know about the natural grading method comes back to something we were just talking about, and it can be a common point of confusion for instructors who are newer to using the AsULearn gradebook. As a reminder, the course total in natural grading is the number of available points. This can be easily confused with the number of total points that you add into your course. For example, if I build a course that has 4 assignments worth 25 points each, I might expect to see a course total of 100 points. And that would be true, but only at the end of the semester when all of those grades have been entered into the gradebook. Under natural, the course total equals the number of available points, which means the course total dynamically changes as you enter in new grades for your students. So if I've only entered in grades for 2 of the 4 assignments in my course that are worth 25 points each, then my course total at that time is not 100, it's actually 50. This also means that if you've entered in grades for some students, but not others, you may see different course totals for different students. This is normal and expected behavior, but can feel unexpected if you're new to the gradebook. So as a reminder with the natural grading method, you can use the point values of individual grades and activities to determine the weight of those activities in the course grade, and the course grade will be calculated by looking at the number of points a student earned out of the number of points they could have earned.